Hi, welcome to Missologist. As you can see, I'm in a different location, but that is because today I'm making a cat cocktail. I figured it would be helpful to have actual cats around to test cocktail and see if they actually like it or not. You may hear a lot of meowing during the video, and that is the cats. I'm putting this in coupe glasses because the cats deserve real glasses. Okay, so the first step is to spray whatever you're using, your glass, your coupe glass, your cat bowl, whatever you decide to actually put your cat cocktail in, with catnip spray. Or, you know, if you don't have the spray, don't worry, but it's just kind of a nice, oh God, that smells terrible. Next step is spraying the outside of the glass with the catnip spray. But only half of it. And I guess they like it, but ew. Okay, hold on, I gotta wash my hand, that's disgusting. So now I'm gonna take some catnip and I'm gonna put it on my little board here. You know, just sprinkle some there. And take my sprayed glass, and hopefully this works because it's not citrus, but it should stick just like citrus. And I'm gonna roll that in some catnip. Yay! Okay, putting the catnip back in the container. So the next step that I'm doing is I'm going to muddle some blueberries in my shaker. Blueberries are safe for cats to consume, so everything in this cocktail is cat safe. I checked ahead of time. I don't want to poison my cats. Don't want to poison anyone's cats. So we're gonna throw like maybe, I don't know, a little handful of blueberries in there. And then I'm just gonna use my bar spoon to smush them. So basically muddle them. Just makes them release their juices and etc. It makes it easier to shake them. That's kind of gross actually. Okay, and now I'm not gonna actually measure it, but it should be about a shot's worth of pumpkin or half a shot. It doesn't have to be a full shot. And then we're gonna do applesauce. I'm actually experiencing much less meowing than I was expecting. So I'm gonna put some applesauce in. Final ingredient for the actual cocktail, besides ice, is chicken juice, which is just chicken water from a can of chicken. Oh, that smells interesting. Okay, so I'm guessing that's about 2 shots worth. Again, not really gonna measure it because I would say put about 4 ounces in, or 2, depending on your jigger, because some jiggers are 2 ounces, some are 1 ounce. So just, you know, test it out. All right, I'm gonna get some ice. Or try to get some ice. I'm gonna put about 3 ice cubes in here. And then I'm gonna put my shaker top on, real top on, and I'm going to shake. Okay, that should be good. My hand is frozen, so. And sorry, the cats apparently decided now would be a good time to fight. Okay, so I'm pouring some of this in here, some of this in here. Hopefully we'll have even amounts. Although, honestly, my boy cat tends to not consume things that I expect him to, so he may not even be interested in this, but. Okay, so now for the final step, we are going to take some my cat's favorite things in the world, minnows. They're these nasty dried fish. If you've never seen them, I think they're so gross, but the cats are obsessed. And we're gonna stick a couple in here as kind of a garnish slash, topper. Again, this is really gross, but the things I do for my cats. I'll move some stuff over and we'll bring her up and see what she thinks of her cat. Oh, she's not sure. No. Cocktail. No. Okay, well.
No, Christine, focus. Okay, alright.
Yay! I think she's gonna drink it. Yes, she's drinking it. Ooh, Pumpkin's up here too. Well, he's on the table. Hopefully you won't knock the camera over. Oh, Pumpkin, be careful. Ah! Okay, Pumpkin, you want yours too? Okay, here you go. Pumpkin's kind of confused. And now Christine is going for pumpkins. So, she hasn't eaten the minnows yet. So that's cool. Christine, focus. Hello. Clearly she does like the cocktails because she is drinking them. Pumpkin, one's for you. You want your cocktail? Oh, Christine. Do you want the minnows or not? Anyway, as you can see, she keeps losing focus, but then she comes back and drinks more of it. So I would say that the cat cocktail is a success. And if you want to make your own, it's really easy. No, I'm just lifting this up for cheers. It was catnip spray, blueberries, canned pumpkin, unsweetened applesauce, and some nasty dried minnows. I mean, she doesn't think they're nasty, but I do. And yeah, so Christine, say cheers. Cheers. Drink yours. Christine.